Sarina, how you are doing? And I know you have been very busy lately. आपके live sessions हैं, and I haven't seen you so much on social media these days जितना आप आजकल हैं in terms of promotions and everything.
Yeah, you know what is there? हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि जब हम लोग इस फिल्म को शूट कर रहे थे almost 1.5 year ago that हम लोग इस फिल्म को promote करेंगे, you know, amidst a global lockdown and a pandemic. It's crazy, unheard of, you know. And in fact, just 10 minutes ago, I was talking to my director again. We were just discussing some promotion related things, and we're like, प्रमोशन को दूसरे लेवल पे कैसे लेके जाए?
प्रमोशन ऑलरेडी दूसरे लेवल पे चला गया सलीना. I don't think so कि आप इसको
So we said I must go to Uzair's IG that take it to the next level.
Okay, thank you so much, Sarina. With that, एक मूवी के बारे में डिस्कस करने से पहले आपके ऊपर एक इल्जाम है. I hope आप उसको क्लियर जरूर करेंगी because कुछ क्वेश्चंस हमारे पास आए थे. इल्जाम आपके ऊपर ये है that इल्जाम है, बाकायदा एक्यूजेशंस है आपके ऊपर सलीना. ये बहुत सीरियस टॉक शो है, आप इसको शायद हंसी मजाक ले रही थी. बट सीरियस बात ये है कि फ्लॉन्टिंग जो बेबी बैली होती है वो कॉमन हुई आपके फोटोशूट के बाद. सो यू टेक द ब्लेम ऑन योरसेल्फ या इससे पहले भी इस तरह की चीजें होती हुई आई हैं? बिकॉज आफ्टर योर
ब्लेम तब होती है जब गुनाह होता है, you know, जब गुनाह ही नहीं
किया, क्योंकि कुछ सब लोगों ने ये फ्लॉन्टिंग करनी शुरू कर दी थी. सो यू एक्चुअली टेक दैट, मतलब ब्लेम नहीं कहेंगे इसको एक तरीके से, यू नो, ऑल दीस थिंग्स. क्रेडिट बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं आप.
Honestly telling you, जब मेरे हस्बैंड ने वो तस्वीर खींची मेरी, तो ऐसी कोई इंटेंशन नहीं थी कि यू नो फ्लॉन्टिंग द बेबी
वायरल हो जाएगी.
जस्ट पीटर और मैं इतने खुश थे कि यू नो हम लोग वी वर ब्लेस्ड अगेन विद ट्विंस एंड अनहर्ड ऑफ नेचुरल कंसेप्शन 2 times with twins is 1 in 10 million 20 million. डॉक्टर्स भी शॉक थे, यू नो, डॉक्टर्स भी कह रहे थे आप फिर से आइए, हम कल आपकी जांच फिर से करेंगे. It was literally like that.
Sarina, with that, so in terms of horoscope से भी इसका related है, क्योंकि many people usually say कि ये star होगा तो आपके twins होते हैं, ये star अगर इस star के साथ आपकी मैच होगा तो.
But you know, मेरी जो great grandmother थी, she was Afghan, and she had 2 sets of twins.
Wow. And you were born in Kabul as well.
No, I was not. This is wrong. I was never born in Kabul. This is wrong information on Wikipedia. I'm so glad आपके show पे I can confirm it. No, I was born in Kolkata and I was never born in Kabul. And but I am definitely of Afghan descent, and my great grandmother was Afghan. And जिस समय the monarchy of Afghanistan was dissolved, I think उस time पे they came as refugees to India.
Yeah.
And that's the time my great grandfather married her, and she was one of the first female doctors also in this part of the world. So
wow, that's incredible.
Yeah. And she died shortly after the birth of her second set of twins. उस समय तो antibiotics वगैरह इतनी evolved नहीं थी. And despite being a doctor, she also passed away. So that is the story of my Afghan heritage.
Okay, and Sarina, with that, जो different आपकी movies आई in terms of your makeup, your hair were always up to the mark as well. And stylist का concept अब बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया है. Do you think when you were doing Janasheen and when you were doing No Entry, उस time पे भी there was a proper team of stylists at that time as well? या आपका क्योंकि खुद का look?
No, I think Janasheen was many years ahead of 2003. I think अगर जानशीन अभी भी रिलीज होती, it was released in 2003, and मेरे ख्याल से अगर अभी भी रिलीज होती तो it would still be ahead of its times. We had designers on board, we didn't have stylists on board, and I think बहुत अच्छे शाहिद आमिर and Vikram Fadnis, ये काफी famous names हैं generally in the fashion world in India. And Vikram Fadnis did amazing dresses and clothes, and my most memorable bikinis in the film were done by Shahid Amir.
Sarina, with that, जब ये script आपको सुनाई भी गई थी and you were wearing all these clothes as well, you were comfortable at that time because basically you were having that particular physique, you were representing Miss India, you were या यू वर एक तरीके से मिस यूनिवर्स भी, तो उस टाइम पे इतनी परफेक्ट फिजिक नहीं होती थी, सो समटाइम्स द वुमेन एट दैट टाइम वर नॉट कंफर्टेबल वेयरिंग दिस बिकॉज ऑफ द फिजिक, सो दैट वाज अ प्लस पॉइंट। आपको लगता है कि ये एक प्लस पॉइंट था आपके पास?
बिल्कुल, because it's as simple as this, sir. I represented India at Miss Universe, and I got one of the highest marks in Miss Universe on the swimsuit round. So, Khan Saab जो थे, फिरोज खान साहब, he was very particular. He used to say this बहुत खूबसूरत चीज बोलते थे. He said there's a very thin line between being vulgar and sensual.
Yeah.
जब उन्होंने पहली मर्तबा मुझे जानशीन नरेट की, I was in his house. Khan Saab was my mentor, my friend. I don't know which words to use for him because I was so close to him. And if I was 40 years younger, I would have married him also. I love him. Wow. I'm being very frank with you. So I'm just telling you that Khan Saab was a very, very dear friend. उन्होंने जो पहली मर्तबा जानशीन मुझे नरेट की, तो सबसे पहले उन्होंने मुझे ब्रिटनी स्पीयर्स का एक वीडियो दिखाया बीच पे. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर गाना कौन सा था. एंड ही सेड, Celine, baby, I have this vision for you. You're going to be the Indian Britney Spears. Okay. And are you okay with it? He asked me that. He asked me if he said, because I can't move ahead. I always, portray my women, show my women on my film beautifully, ahead of the times. And this is what I want from you. I said, yes, of course I'm fine.
And हमारे साथ इस वक्त जो है लोग कमेंट भी कर रहे हैं कि let's talk about season meetings as well. बिल्कुल हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. It's because we want to drag all the audience over here first. फिर हमने सोचा कि उसके बारे में बात करें ताकि सब लोग एक जगह इकट्ठा हो जाए.
Right. In fact, हमारे डायरेक्टर भी मौजूद है यहाँ पे, राम कमल मुखर्जी. He's just joining us. I think you can see him is waving to you.
Yeah, of course I can read the comment as well. And मैं राम कमल जी को ही बता रहा था कि हम जरा वेट कर रहे थे लोगों के ज्वाइन होने का. Selena, you have been representing, आप एक तरीके से बहुत outspoken है. You have been talking about the LGBT community as well. And एक जो ये मूवी भी रिलीज हो रही है. So have you ever had backlash as well इस हवाले से when you are talking about this a lot? तो लोग ये क्योंकि the mindset is not ready to accept all these things. So कभी आपको लगता है कि ट्विटर पे या hate comments or something of that sort face करना पड़ता है?
Was there not anymore, but जब मैंने शुरुआत की थी तब बहुत बैकलैश था. बहुत से लोगों ने बातचीत करना भी बंद कर दी थी, स्पेशली इंडस्ट्री से. I got even some projects I was rejected from, and मेरी खुद की sexuality को भी बहुत ज़्यादा डाउट किया गया. And I had no problems with that because I didn't see anything bad in it, but it was that the slang and the language that was used was derogatory. It was termed as if it is something bad, and there's nothing bad about being LGBTQIA in any way. I feel that. So yes, and then बहुत से cultural groups थे जिनसे मुझे threats आने लगे. I remember one day the police called and they said, Selena जी आप कहाँ हो? We are sending police. We have received intimation कि ये होने वाला है, वो होने वाला है, तो आपके घर में हम पुलिस तैनात रखेंगे. And ये सब उन्होंने कहा. So I have been through these phases also, but our press was very supportive, and I just felt कि मेरे पास platform था. I was very passionate about LGBT rights. I still am, and I will be till my dying day. Okay. Wow. So definitely nothing is going to take me away from that. But when I started, things बहुत अलग थी. अब 377 section 377 जब से revoke हुआ है, लोगों के automatically it's natural. When the law is on your side, a lot of people are more comfortable in supporting. Of course. Something. जब कोई चीज लीगली नहीं है तो इंसान 10 मर्तबा सोचेगा अगर वो सपोर्ट भी करने मांगता है. बिकॉज ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी को भी समझना बहुत जरूरी है. एंड also about my movie concerned about LGBTQIA, I would like to clarify that this is not a human rights film. This is a film about relationship जिसमें हमने the beauty and the poetry of different relationships use की. चाहे वो LGBT relationship हो, चाहे वो एक मुस्लिम लड़का and हिंदू लड़की के love affair की relationship हो, जो कि मैं और मेरे co-star अमर खान प्ले करते हैं, चाहे वो मेरी मदर की लोनलीनेस हो, चाहे वो एक ट्रांस एक्टर, फर्स्ट टाइम हमारी फिल्म में ट्रांसजेंडर एक्टर यूज हुए हैं, कास्ट हुए हैं, as in a trans role, which is unheard of in Indian cinema.
And even your director don't discriminate between these things as well. And जब आपके पास ये story है, because as you represent as well, somehow you are outspoken about this particular topic. So do you consider it a kind of a dream project as well? जब इसकी narration हो रही थी, you have been telling us as well on different platforms. But do you think it is one of your dream project as well? Because somehow it was representing and the way you were very telling about it.
You hit the nail on the head. Absolutely, absolutely. It was a dream project from day one. And I think इस project में बहुत ही divine intervention रही है, you know. मुझे लगता है कि ऋतु पौर्णा घोष की रूह रही है, उनकी blessings रही है, मेरी मरहूम मदर की blessings रही हैं, and बहुत blessings रही हैं इस फिल्म में, and अब देखने को मिल रही हैं वो blessings जो critics, मैं कभी सोचा भी नहीं था कि एक फिल्म को इतने सारे 4 and 5 stars मिल सकते हैं. I'm not just bragging on your show. I'm telling you, I'm still in shock. Today we received 4.5 stars from one of the most notorious film critics, जो कि सिर्फ can
we should give it applaud as well. जो हमारे साथ viewers भी देख रहे हैं, तो वो भी अपने घरों में बैठ के आप क्लैप बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं चीज के ऊपर. सही ना, मूवी बहुत जबरदस्त है, एंड डेफिनेटली जो इसका टॉपिक है वो बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है, स्पेशली कास्टिंग द ट्रांसजेंडर्स एज वेल. एक तरीके से आई गेस इट्स फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडियन मीडिया. ये पहले भी होता आ रहा है, लेकिन पोर्ट्रे हमने देखा कि इसमें जरा ज्यादा हो रहा है, एंड पीपल आर लाइकिंग इट, द कॉन्सेप्ट.
बिल्कुल. एंड आई थिंक बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो कि ट्रांस रोल्स में स्ट्रेट एक्टर्स को कास्ट करने मांगते हैं या नॉन ट्रांस एक्टर्स को कास्ट करने मांगते हैं. क्यों? अरे हमारी पिक्चर की टीआरपी, वो शो की टीआरपी चले जाएगी, या ये हो जाएगा या वो हो जाएगा. हाउ कैन यू cast someone who's not been through the entire struggle of going through their transition in a trans role? But the problem is this कि अभी serious trans roles तो अभी ही लिखने शुरू किए, and Ram is one of those first directors and writers who has written a good trans role. वरना trans and LGBTQIA people को सिर्फ comic relief के तौर पे यूज किया जाता है. या बहुत हार्डकोर सोशल मैसेज वाली फिल्म, वो भी एक प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज nobody wants to see a documentary also, no, when they are tired, and especially they are in a lockdown and all these things. So if you approach it as a poetic presentation of different kind of love.
And Selena, ये pandemic end होते होते राम के जहन में एक और कोई आइडिया आया इससे रिलेटेड, and he came up to you, he comes up to you and he's like, यार Selena, ये एक और आइडिया है मेरे पास regarding this, क्या रिएक्शन होगा? You are going to be like, राम इसके ऊपर काम करते हैं, या राम let's do it, कौन सा ऐसा रिएक्शन होगा, sudden reaction?
I think for Ram, I would land up on set. I wouldn't even ask him anything.
शूट कब से ये रिएक्शन हो सकता है? राम स्टोरी छोड़ो, शूट कब से, मुझे डेट बताओ.
Yeah, so with Ram is not just a director. He is हम लोग की दोस्ती भी बहुत पुरानी है, राम और मेरी. एंड हम लोग पहली मर्तबा जब इजिप्ट गए थे बहुत साल पहले, 2014 की बात है, तो वहां पे वी वेंट ऑन अ डिप्लोमेटिक ट्रिप, एंड राम वाज दोस डेज, it was his journalist days. He was the editor of Stardust magazine those days, and Ram made a beautiful short 1.5 minute film on me at various sites and very historical sites of Egypt. And it was so touching that it gave goosebumps to everybody who saw the film, including the Egyptian delegation there and the greeting committee and everyone. And I knew that day that Ram is ultimately going to end up becoming a director, and he made this beautiful film.
वो आपने डायरेक्टर वाली क्वालिटीज उनकी वहां पे ढूंढ ली थी कि ये डायरेक्टर, ये अंदर से डायरेक्टर.
I तो told him also, ये 1 मिनट की पिक्चर में मेरा क्या होगा. So he made this beautiful movie with my friend Esha Deol called Cakewalk. And his approach to his sensitive and his respectable and his very deep approach towards emancipation of women was so beautiful that it struck a chord in my heart somewhere. I said, "Nahi, ye hai, of course." And I always trusted Ram as a friend and as a director also.
And Selena, थोड़ा सा हम वापस उसकी तरफ आएंगे. कुछ कमेंट्स हमारे पास आ रहे थे, and in terms of you are so fit and you maintain yourself, खासतौर से पेंडेमिक में, जबकि आपका लॉकडाउन जो है काफी पहले से चल रहा है, so still people have sympathy with you as well. खुल कब रहा है आपका लॉकडाउन सेलिना? Any idea about that? कोई बात हुई है आपकी किसी से कि कब आप लोग को खोल देंगे?
ऑस्ट्रिया में तो लॉकडाउन बहुत जल्द ये लोग थोड़ी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस कम करने वाले हैं, पूरी तरीके से नहीं खुलेगा लॉकडाउन. सो डेफिनेटली सम रिस्ट्रिक्शंस आर गोइंग टू बी ईज्ड बाय मिड मे. बट बिकॉज इटली जो है बहुत करीब है हमारे, एंड बहुत से ऐसी कंट्रीज हैं लाइक जर्मनी एंड स्विट्जरलैंड, स्विट्जरलैंड स्पेशली ऑल्सो, जहाँ पे केसेस काफी हाई थे. But thanks to the lockdown and early lockdowns, countries are responding well. And मेरी तो यही दुआ है कि सारी पूरी दुनिया इस लॉकडाउन से निकले, क्योंकि इकोनॉमिक रेपरकशंस काफी बुरे हैं इस लॉकडाउन के.
And Selena, on a lighter note, आप के जो को स्टार हैं फरदीन खान के ऊपर अक्सर बॉडी शेमिंग बहुत हो रही होती है in terms of not keeping healthy या in terms of gaining weight. So what's your take on that particularly? कि जब उनको सोशल मीडिया पे ट्रोल का एक सामना करना पड़ता है, though he's not very active on social media, but you have done your first film with him. तो आपका क्या रिएक्शन होता है when you see this? या आप कुछ कमेंट करके कहती हैं फरदीन यार ये क्या हो रहा है तुम्हारे साथ, देखो जरा इसको.
No, nothing like this. I think it's very unfair. You see, if you're not actively on screen all the time, everybody has a right in their life to let go sometimes also. Some people are not like that. Some people don't want to let. Some people, their lifestyle is just being fit 24 hours a day. Okay. Some people, they do it in phases, you know. Maybe there is some illness. Maybe there is some family crisis. Maybe there is anything. It could be anything. It could be just
डिप्रेशन हो सकता है, different as you have mentioned कि family crisis है, there are different things people can be going through.
Somebody just wants to give up everything and just relax for a bit and be themselves. I think we should give people a chance before. This shaming is not a good thing. Okay, so before you cast a finger on someone else, look at yourself. If you think you are in perfect shape, go ahead and say in a nice way that, listen, be concerned about your health. I'm concerned about your health, what happened to you. But fat shaming or trolling is something I'm not at all going to ever be consenting with.
And थोड़ा सा एंड की तरफ आएंगे, and some quick questions. Selena, सबसे पहले तो the career best songs जो आपके साथ अभी तक हैं, that you have been complimented on a lot as well.
दिल दीवाना बेकरार होने लगा है from Janashin was always be very close to me. And Seasons Greetings का song Sajni Sajni. Sajni Sajni was actually written by Rabindranath Tagore.
Wow.
And it has been the music has been given by Shailendra ji, who was my music director in my film Khel, second film Khel. So, but the music is so beautiful. Like my youngest son, he does not sleep unless he listens to the version of Sajni Sajni of my film Seasons Greeting. It's very melodious, it's very romantic, it's very poetic. And if you want to serenade someone, that is the song to serenade someone with.
Okay, so if the viewers are planning a dinner date या कुछ भी इस तरह के thing वो plan कर रहे हैं during the pandemic or after the pandemic, Sajni Sajni is the call.
Yes,
Selena.
Yes, it's very romantic, very poetic.
Thank you so much, Selena, for joining us. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. It has been an absolute pleasure being here with you.
And definitely for the viewers as well, हम ये upload करेंगे on the YouTube as well. इसको थोड़ा सा edit और अच्छा बना के, and we are definitely going to add the clips from the Seasons Greetings as well for the viewers to see.
That will be wonderful. I'll ask the production to share a promo with you, okay?
Sure. Thank you so much, Selena. Take care.
Thank you again. Take care. God bless.